Well, today was a busy day. Turns out I put the spacers on the wrong side of the engine, and they were more than a 16th, more like close to an 1/8 almost. So today we took all the bolts out of the engine and we repositioned the engine with the spacers in the right position, and my pipe clears now nicely. Funny how that happens. And hits a little bit on the back clamp, but other than that it's clearing and returning now properly. Got the rocker boxes off. The exhaust valve rocker was really loose. I must have set it at the wrong position. Set that, and that's a good relief there. It's still smoking a bit. I'm gonna give it insurance tomorrow. Got the headlight working. I got the fly screen on it, and so that's the stainless steel front fly screen that I made for bikes back about, I guess, 10 years ago, water jet cutting when it first came out. So we'll have that on the front. I might have to change the front tire before I go crazy on the forks, because they seem to have, I loosened and re-tightened them. They seem a lot better. But this tire, if you look at the wear pattern on it, it's square block. It's pretty much old school Dunlop Gold Seal copy. So it's not going to be the most trackable tire, especially with that rear tire, which is a racing tire, or a street racing tire. So I'm going to put the Metzler on the front, which is a different profile, lower profile, and see if that helps the handling when I'm rolling. And it's only when I take my hands off the handlebars that I have a little bit of a tug, not even a tug, but a pull to the left. Nothing that would affect riding and cornering and stuff like that. And its turning radius is really tight and stuff, so quite a nimble little bike. So I'm gonna get the valve covers back on. The breather needs a clamp on it, and we'll do that. It's starting up really well now and idling at around 700 RPM. And cleaned up the paint a little bit. I'm gonna have to get the back or the left side cover on once I'm confident the regulator is working properly and I get it out on the road and get it over 2,000 RPM. Really haven't had it over 2 or 2,500 yet. So needs some time on the road, I think, to run. And we'll see how that smoke clears out. Tomorrow, maybe ride over to the North Shore and up Seymour Mountain, or maybe just on the lower roads and try to get some video of that. So the spacing of the engine, very important for your clearances on these pipes because they hug so close to the engine. And we'll see if this gets pulled for the music. Anyways, guys, have a good day. Working forward on it. Got the horn on as well, but I need a thicker wire button. I bought a button off of eBay for motorcycle, and it's like 22 gauge or something. It's probably gonna become a hot wire knife if I put power through it. So I have to get that wired, and then I have a horn and I'm legal. So I'll give you an update the next day or two on how it's running. See ya.